Oh my god.
This right here is a Tesla Plaid. And it's not any ordinary Tesla Plaid. It's my homie Mathav's Tesla Plaid. The dude who got bars. Hey, come on, pop up in here.
What's up,
got
man?
Mathav back in the videos. You already know what it is.
Yes.
He's the dude with the GT350 that was swinging it out in his yard. I'm so excited that he picked up a Tesla Plaid because I always wanted that authentic Tesla Plaid experience, and they just came out with the drift mode in the Tesla Plaid. So we're going to be doing some 0 to 60 times right over here with my draggy device.
Yeah, it hits your heart, bro. We're gonna do some 0 to 60s, and you know what? I'll let you drive.
For real?
Yeah, I'll let you
Dude.
drive, bro.
He's gonna let me whip the Plaid. That's insane. Cream interior with the carbon fiber, and then we have the yoke steering wheel, so I'll give my impressions on that too. You also got custom wheels on it, right?
Yeah, I got the upgraded Plaid wheels.
Aren't these ones like least efficient? Cause like,
yeah, they produce drag, but they look hella sick. So you know your boy had to drop 45 on them.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and go do some 0 to 60s on this thing. Whoo! Oh wait, I'm gonna let Mathav drive right now so we can get some good times for us.
Right.
And then I'll hop up in here and we will go ahead and take it out on the road, and I will let you know my thoughts on it. So here we are right now. We're going for the first Plaid launch. So let's go ahead and get my reaction. I'm gonna hold the GoPro right here, and then I'm gonna hold my draggy right here to record.
I'm not gonna let you know, I'm just gonna go.
All right, don't let me know then. Just go. I'm just gonna look straight forward. That's it, and just prepare. That thing's so fast.
Yeah,
And that was a 2.5 seconds 0 to 60. Prepare. Oh! Yep, ready? So now we're inside the Plaid. We're gonna go ahead and put our foot on the brake. We swipe up like that, and it goes into drive.
Yep.
And peak performance is ready. So what do we do? Just
just
brake and mash the gas.
Mash the gas. It's gonna.
Okay, so now it's gonna go in cheetah stance and prepare for launch.
Once it says ready for launch, just rip it, bro. Give me a countdown just so I know.
Yeah.
Because I've never.
I'll go on go.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Dude, I didn't breathe for a second.
Bro, that was about to like rip the GoPro off my head.
You're the first ever person to drive this car, like doing the launch. Like my dad's driven it and so has my brother, but they've never like mashed on it. They literally just drive it to drive it, you know?
Yeah.
Because my brother doesn't like cars, but dude, that's f***ing crazy.
Oh, that's crazy, bro. But yeah, the interior is really nice. Like, it feels so much more luxurious than the previous Tesla models back in 2013, 14, 15, 16, those years that we owned ours and drove around in others. It feels so much better now, so much more isolated, the vehicle. And I'm gonna be honest, I thought I was gonna think this yoke is so stupid, but this car is already stupid how fast it is.
Yeah.
Like, everything about it just doesn't make sense. But this yoke, when you're going fast, just adds something to the element of all the fun. It is so fun with the yoke. Like, it just feels like you're on a plane, you know, you're preparing for takeoff. That's literally what it is.
Yeah, you know, this is all vegan leather. None of this is actually from animals. Everything is done like vegan, so no animals were harmed. Yeah, it's vegan leather. Like this cloth right here is artificial.
I thought I noticed that I put it in the launch mode. I was gonna let him keep on talking and just launch this thing. But anyways,
see how hard it takes my head back.
All right, that's a dangerous game, but all right, man.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. So ready? Yeah. 5, 4.
Damn, this thing's fast.
Dude, it just keeps on pulling too.
Yeah, it doesn't stop.
And I love the Plaid animation thing. It's just like oh my. It's like you're entering another dimension. Honestly, this feels nice just using one finger to move.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
I'm gonna try like a rolling just hit, because I heard that hit's different in this car.
Yeah. Do a 40. 40s are pretty
40?
good. 40? Mm-hmm.
Should I do...
Just go.
When should I go?
Just go.
How many miles per hour? Dude.
The brakes are bad.
The brakes suck.
Yeah, they're horrible.
The brakes on this car are awful. I can't wait until they come up with the upgraded package for them.
I think it's in April of this year, actually.
April of this year?
Yeah. They said it's gonna be able to do like 220 miles an hour.
220?
And I'm actually gonna go in because, I mean, some people are saying on the forums that that's supposed to boost your resale value like 10 to 20 grand. And the package is like 8K, I think.
I can see that boosting the retail value, because if I'm gonna be completely honest, I love the car, but it's so scary that you can't like stop.
Yeah.
Man, this yoke feels so weird, but it's so cool.
I'm literally getting it. I mean, of course, I'd love to go 200 in a fucking battery mobile.
Yeah.
But I want the upgraded brakes for sure. Plus, it'll, you know, it tops out at 160. Don't ask me how I know, but
feels like there's a little bit of body roll here, but I've heard that in the track mode there's less, and that it tightens up the suspension a lot more. So they have a track and drift mode now, and then there's also that boat right up there, as you can see. That's super stock Umming.
Okay, I know what you
Sorry,
mean.
I had to get you back now for all the times that you did it to me.
I know what you mean by
that is insane. You could like kill your passenger, literally.
About to get a clip of Nanu just gassing it. Let's do it. Hit a dig. Let's see it. Oh.
Cheetah stance is getting ready. Man, this thing's crazy. Go up there and film my reaction.
Oh my gosh. Why'd I let this fool drive?
Oh my. Okay, this yoke is so awkward. It's like I'm legit in a ship right now. Like if you just floor it, like, that's insane. Let's see, let's do this thing.
Dude, you just left, bro. There was no reaction to
Bro, I left you guys in the dust, man. Super stock going crazy. Still can't beat this though.
Watch mine.
They just came out with the Tesla drift mode, so I'm so excited to put it to use with someone who got bars behind the wheel. So what mode are we in right now?
We're in Plaid everything track mode. You already know your boy got bars, so we're in the drift preset.
We're in the drift preset right now. That's a new update that just recently came out. Haven't seen anyone else.
Shout out to the boy Elon.
Yep, the boy Elon.
So right now it's in rear wheel drive with traction control all the way off.
Okay, so. Oh man. So that's fully rear wheel drive.
Yep. 1, 2, 3!
Oh! Well, we gapped him, but that thing sounded nuts when he flew by, didn't it?
The wine's crazy, bro.
The wine is nuts.
1, 2, 3. That's 86.
That's so fast. Tree row, we've arrived. Ow, I just hit my face with the camera.
Yeah, you gotta be careful, bro.
Oh yeah, this thing's deadly.
This thing spins more than the fucking 350.
What the Go crazy, you're still gonna flap, bro.
This goes more. Race! Let's race! Ready? 1, 2, 3!
GPS connected.
Oh.
Preparing, ready to launch. You guys ready?
Yeah.
On 3, 1, 2.
It's honestly just so stupid how it's stupid how fast this thing is. It catches people off guard so much. That's why I have my head back like this, so I'm ready if this dude decides that he wants to do this. Like, you literally can't talk while they're gassing it. So anyways, like I was saying before Mathab cut me off by flooring his car, that brings us to the end of the video. Huge shout out to him for letting me drive it. I'll throw up his Instagram right up over here. Go give him a follow. Super cool dude. This Plaid is absolutely insane. Yeah, it's stupid how fast it is. And then we got Six Stance super stock Umming right in front of us. Go follow Six Stance, go follow Umming for that nasty burnout. Yep, he's giving the wave. But huge shout out to these guys. I don't even understand how this car is that fast. Like, it's honestly making me feel sick, bro.
Elon Musk was on that gas station good when making this car, bro.
Honestly, man.
Oh, look at, there's another super stock.
Oh yeah, another super stock. That one's nicer than Umman's though.
Thanks again.
Nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you too.
Right.
Take care.
Okay, you too.
Thank you.
He ain't had the same look. I got one too, this is not the same truck.
You see a car cool, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jinya beat down, study the street down. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy.